Are you struggling to get your online dream business set up profitably? Do you keep running into roadblocks or setbacks that prevent you from moving forward at the speed you want? If your answer is yes, then please watch this short introductory video, which is designed with you in mind. Now, I want you to just imagine having all the hurdles to succeeding online removed for you. It starts, as I'm sure you know, with building a list. Well, my good friends Andy and Val show how to do it, the no-hurdle way, how you can start from scratch, with a strategy perfect for beginners, with their no hurdles done for you funnel setup and building your list and making sales within minutes. Not only that, they're sharing their powerful strategy to assure your new subscribers read your emails, for free, on their sales page. When you do pick up their system you also get a ready-made landing page, no website or hosting needed, so no ongoing cost, an inbuilt upgrade offer through your affiliate link, with guaranteed affiliate approval, a professionally written follow-up email sequence, also monetized with your affiliate offer, and much, much more, and it's easy to set up. This extraordinary deal is available to you right now with a whopping 54% discount today. Take a look and secure your discount by clicking the link below now. Invest just once, and you can start building your email list and making sales within minutes from now. See how this strategy can put you on the road to online success, which is awesome for beginners. Their sales page is, I must warn you, refreshingly different. And it may even give you a laugh or two. And, for sure, their lead magnet strategy is worth knowing. Check out their powerful, and different, lead magnet strategy by clicking on the links below. God bless you and all your loved ones. And have a great day. Signing off. Pedro Robert.